Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need admin access to the Facebook page and at least one active lead ads form. Once confirmed, open your Google account and create a blank sheet with column headers matching the form fields. Now choose your connector, Meta Graph API webhook for direct delivery, or a third-party tool like Zapier or Make for easier mapping. I recommend Zapier if you prefer UI-based steps. Make sure to enable the correct permissions in Facebook Business Manager so data can flow to external apps. Start the integration. In Zapier, choose Facebook lead ads as the trigger and authenticate your business account, then pick the specific page and form. Next, add Google Sheets as the action, choose the sheet and worksheet, and map each lead field to the corresponding column. This mapping ensures clean rows. Perform a test trigger with a sample lead. Once Zapier returns sample data, make sure values land in the correct columns. If using a webhook, deploy an endpoint and subscribe to Legion events in Meta. Turn the integration live, enable your Zap or start the webhook listener, and then submit a real test lead to confirm the Google Sheet receives entries. Once done, monitor for common issues, duplicates from retries, permission errors from expired tokens, or rate limit rejections. If data stops flowing, first check the access token expiry and webhook subscription status in Business Manager. Next, review logs in Zapier or your server for error codes. Finally, make sure the sheet hasn't hit API quotas or share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.